Okay, so for this I'm going to show you how to select music and to import music for your projects. Alright, so there are many different sites out there. I'm just going to use Incompetech. Incompetech is Kevin MacLeod. Kevin MacLeod has been making royalty-free music for quite a few years now. Alright, so I'm at the Incompetech site. I'm going to get started with music. And of course there's the obligatory ads. Alright, so for this, I think I'm going to go with late night radio. Alright, late night radio is 72 beats per minute, and it's contemporary, and it's about 4.5 minutes long. I'm not going to use the whole thing, I'm just going to use part of it. So let's take a listen to it. Okay, that's doable. I can use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download it. I'll open the file. Go to VLC. And there it is. Alright. Fine. Alright, so that's good. That means that it will actually play. Alright. So I'm going to go take a look at the file location. It's downloaded to my download folder. So what I'm going to do is, much like what I did with the video files, I'm going to go to my media files. I've got these right here, which are the video files that I showed you last time. And now I'm just going to drag this over so that way I also have this, alright, where I can find it. Now with this also, again, much like with the bins, you can organize your folders so that way it's a lot cleaner than what this is. But for this, it's just going to be something that's relatively simple. I'm not really going to stress too much about it. Again, it's just for demonstration anyway. So again, I'm going to go up to my music. I double click on my music bin, make sure that it's selected, and you can tell the music bin is selected because it is highlighted. Alright, so again, file, I'm going to go to input, I'm going to go to source browser. Alright, got my media files, there's my late night radio. I'm making sure that the target bin is going to be my music, and I'm just going to link. Alright, and there's late night radio. Okay, pretty straightforward. Alright, so I am going to stop this one, and we'll start with the next project video.